Are you struggling with no internet connection problem on your TikTok account even when you have your mobile data turned on? Don't worry, because today I'll show you 2 ways I have found to fix this issue on both iPhones and Android phones. Without wasting much time, let's get started. For the first method, kindly go to your TikTok app and make sure your TikTok app has access to your data. As you can see, the issue was fixed. Now if this issue still continues, kindly move to the second method. For the second method, all you have to do is go to your Apple Store and download XVPN, which is available for both Android and iPhone. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more.